Hey everyone, this is Davidson Reviews here, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of these LED lights. So firstly, I would like to thank JLTech for providing this to me and giving me the opportunity to test them. So starting with the unboxing and the packaging, it's quite simple with a cardboard design. We have some specs on the front. It's nice to see that the packaging is recyclable. We have some specifications here, and it also shows the circuit here as well. On the bottom, we don't have anything. Same thing on the other side. And it looks like we have a picture of them being used, and then nothing on the sides. So let's get this open. Okay, so it looks like the unboxing is going to be incredibly simple. We don't have any instructions or any manuals or even safety documents. We literally just have the lights. To be honest, I don't really mind this because quite often things like the manuals and the instructions are thrown away quite quickly because again, this looks like it's been powered by USB, so it's incredibly simple. And what I'll do in a minute is get a USB power adapter and see if that can power it. Okay, so I have a 20,000 milliamp power bank. If you want to see an unboxing of that, you can see it here. It's by PowerAd. I use it for charging my phone, and let's see if it will power this. And the answer is yes, it will do. I can't say whether other power banks will, but what I can say is that this specific model will power it, which is really great because it means it doesn't have to be plugged into a wall outlet. So looking at the light, it looks like we don't really have any other control over how it's displayed. I'm not seeing any buttons or anything like that. And it looks like we do have a cable for attaching maybe like a USB cable for power. But yeah, don't really seem to have like an on and off button. It's just powered straight away. So there is the unboxing, and thanks so much for watching.